Paano po ba makakatulong o nakakasama sa ang artificial intelligence po sa behavior ng ating mga kabataan?
Ay, para po sa akin 'no, in my point of view, may tatlo akong puntong gustong isagot 'no, regarding kung nakakatulong ba or nakakabahala 'no, yung paggamit ng AI sa kaugalian ng mga kabataan. Una, I would like to point out first 'no, the educational enhancement and personalized learning. Um, ang sa kasalukuyan po 'no, ang nagagawa ng mga kabataan yung over-reliance 'no, yung over-reliance on AI-driven educational tools 'no, that may reduce the face-to-face interactions and their critical thinking skills. Actually po 'no, it can also create disparities 'no, disparities if access to AI technology is unequal 'no, amongst the students. Pangalawa po 'no, for me it's more on the social interaction and the mental health of our youth. Um, yung excessive use po kasi of AI-driven social media platforms, no, I believe that it can negatively impact the mental health, no, and that could lead to issues like cyberbullying, social comparison, and even addiction, no. So yung algorithms po kasi, no, can create echo chambers, no, and this could exacerbate no the feelings of isolation and or inadequacy no among our youth. And pangatlo po siguro no is pointing out the privacy and ethical concerns. Although earlier no Doc Ligan already mentioned this one, but I believe po no that the collection and use of personal data by the AI systems no, this could raise significant privacy concerns. Yung mga kabataan natin, no, they may be more vulnerable. No, they may be more vulnerable to data breaches, manipulation, and the long-term implications of having their digital behavior tracked and analyzed without adequate protections. No, so oo, nakakatulong man ito sa karamihan sa kabataan, pero they are not totally mindful of its consequences. No, if they totally become over dependent or they have over reliance no to AI.